Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Snapchat. So let's start. First, before moving forward, you have to remember that there is no option to enable dark mode on the Snapchat app. But there is an easy way fix you can do on your iPhone. First, you have to open the settings app on your iPhone. Now you have to go to display and brightness. And if your dark mode on your phone is enabled, you have to disable that first. Then go back to settings. And then go to accessibility. And here you have to go to display and text size. And now scroll down and you'll see the option smart invert. You have to enable this option. And you'll see that all the colors is now inverted and the dark mode is enabled. Now open the Snapchat app. And here you'll see that all the colors is now inverted and the dark mode is enabled. That is how you can enable dark mode on the Snapchat app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.